Hello and welcome to another of our wild box recipes. This time I'm going to be doing what we're calling salt marsh pasta. And you can see pretty much everything's green. We have spring onions and sea purslane, sea aster, sea blight, juice of 1 lime, couple of spoons of picked down wild marjoram flowers. And then this stuff's pretty interesting. It's spaghetti, or you could just as well call this noodles really, made from edamame beans. It's a bit different, but it matches very nicely with these ingredients. So just to talk you through the prep, what I've done is I've stripped down the small pine needle-like leaves from the sea blight, and we're going to chop these stems down. The aster I've left whole just so you can see it. But I'm now going to separate the main leaf blade from the stalks and stems there, and those will also be chopped down. The sea purslane, we've already picked it down from the stems, and that's about it in terms of the prep. I mean, obviously, yeah, you need to also wash these sea aster leaves first. Okay, so I've got a pan of boiling salted water there, to which I'm going to add this edamame spaghetti. Now you could equally well use pea pasta or lentil pasta, and there's a soya bean version of this spaghetti, but this is my personal favourite at the moment. So in there it goes. Let's shake that down. Okay, and then we've got 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil there, with which I'm going to fry the stalks and stems of the aster, of the sea blight, and the spring onions. And we'll let that fry for about 2 minutes. Get a slight bit of browning going. Alright, the pasta wants to go for 4 or 5 minutes, and that being done, we're just now going to strain it into here, because I want to reserve the water for a soup, which is our 3rd recipe. This is a really nice beany water. Probably a bit more useful than your wheat pasta water. So I'm just going to let that drain. And now I'm just going to add the purslane and the sea blight. Get a minute or so in the pan. And lastly, veg-wise, we're just going to add the sea aster and the marjoram flowers. So now we just put it all together, add our lime juice, and we're ready to go. And there we have a great steaming plateful of salt marsh pasta.